How to create a poll on Fiverr. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create a poll on Fiverr. Let's just get started. First thing first, what you want to do is go ahead and open up Fiverr and make sure you're logged into your account. Then go to the group chat where you want to create a poll. I'll just tap on the group chat right here on top. Once you are on your group chat, you can just type in your messages. Once you've typed your message, to create a poll, you can tap on the plus icon on the left-hand side of your screen. Then, from this option, you can just select poll. And if you want, you can also turn on the quiz mode. So quizzes can have only one right answer. But I'll just add a question here. And you can add your options down below by just tapping on add option. And from here, you can just add your options. Just tap on the plus icon again to add other options and type in your other options, just like so. And once you've done that, just tap on create. Now you've successfully created a poll on what's on your Viper. Now, if someone wants to select an option, they can just tap on this heart icon and you're good to go. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.